Okay, so just a quick update. So basically, I've done some painting. It's practically 24 hours later. So you can see there. This is a little patch I left, which basically shows you what it was like before. So as you can see, it was quite thick mold and kind of patchy all over, mainly in the corners, but the ceiling kind of curves upwards. So it was kind of right along the curved edge, as you can see. And then these are the bits which I've basically painted and used the masking tape on. So I've painted it. This is now the second coat that's been applied, and as you can see, it's looking quite good. Once I get down, if I show you, so you can't really tell the difference between what was there before and what's there now, and that's the bit that's left. So yeah, you can see it's blended in quite nicely. Now this one takes a few hours to dry, the white one, the white matte paint, anti-mold paint. So I'm going to leave it for a few hours, and then it should look practically brand as good as new. If I was to get someone to paint this for me, that would probably cost a few £100, and overall I think I spent somewhere near maybe £50 for all the materials. So obviously saved quite a bit of money there. Yeah, no reason why you can't do it as well. I mean, I'm not a decorator by trade, so obviously you can see it's quite straightforward, quite easy to do. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.